Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for making this beautiful Diwali wall hanging, I am taking some cardboard pieces which is square in shape and with 5 centimeter length. So one square I have taken in a measurement of 4 centimeter. I am attaching 2 cardboard pieces with the help of the masking tape to conceal the edges. And see, now the pieces are like this. And for the decoration purpose, I am mixing some wheat flour with water. Knead it thoroughly until we get a clay-like texture. I am making thin strands using this clay. Now I am pasting this on the border of the square pieces. After attaching this using the glue, I am now making some designs on that. You can use any kind of sharp objects. Here I am using a fork. Once this process is complete, let us keep it aside to dry completely. I am making a slit on the third piece of hardboard so that I can insert this 4 centimeter square piece inside the slit. See, it can be fixed like this. Now I am completing the same process on all the pieces. Let it dry properly. Once it is dried, we can paint it. I am using red acrylic paint and brown pearl paint. Now once it is dried, we can add the detailing to it. I am using the white acrylic cone to write on this cardboard pieces. Now we can attach this using a thread or hot glue gun. And on the stand which we created on the bottom portion, we can place a small lamp like this. So hope you liked the video. We'll meet with another interesting videos. Until then, bye.